Emmanuel is 7. And this last year works. But I carry on, you know. Pancho. Oh, Jaja, I love the way you pave for me. Emmanuel, wicked man, go on your knees and pray. Rastafari easy and the month and day. Oh, wicked man, go on your knees and pray. Rastafari easy and the month and day. Yeah. Wicked man, go on your knees and pray. Rastafari easy and the month and day. Oh, wicked man, go on your knees and pray. Rastafari easy and the month and day. Yeah. Unquenchable fire can't cool. Babylon go sit up on the fireman stool. The system they design, divide and rule. Brainwash education, turn the people in a fool. But young, the conquering lion prevail. I still see the Congo man hail. But me a got me know your mobile and me know your mission. Me see you come around your false composition. Wicked man, go on your knees and pray. Rastafari easy and the after day, yeah. Wicked man, go on your knees and pray. Rastafari easy only pray. Wicked man, go on your knees and pray. Rastafari easy and the after day, yeah. Wicked man, go on your knees and pray. Rastafari easy only pray, yeah. Babylon, so many of my people where you slave and kill. Me nah go pine pan jack, me nah go pine pan chill. They sign the word they correct, they sign them own will. They can't go with no water, fit a rock, no inja. I love the way you pay for me. Emmanuel, I love the things you say to me. How wicked man, go on your knees and pray. Rastafari easy and the month the day. How wicked man, go on your knees and pray. Rastafari easy and the month the day. Yeah. Wicked man, go on your knees and pray. Rastafari easy on the way. Wicked man, go on your knees and pray.
Hey, those were the days when things used to come to pass. Those were the days when you don't have to wear a mask. Those were the days when things used to come to pass. Those were the days. Whoa, when me see it, remember in those days when I was a little youth, I woulda jump on any tree if me think it a fruit. Me granny used to say, boy, see blind and deaf. Certain thing as a youth, me know me can't accept. But what about the writing used to be up on the wall? No more Saint Peter and no more Saint Paul. We fire burn Pharaoh and the boy King Saul. Asian chant make Babylon ball. Those were the days when things used to come to pass. Those were the days when you don't have to wear a mask. Those were the days when things used to come to pass. Those were the days. Those are the days. Whoa, yo. But what about the half that have never been told? What about the half that none can be all? What about the black history they have stole? Sorry for silver and gold. Hey, still, David's to Goliath with a sling and a son. Samson slew the Philistine with a donkey jawbone. Say no, I Billy Hawk him alone. And now Moses who bring the children home. Those were the days when things used to come to pass. Those were the days when you don't have to wear a mask. Those were the days when things used to come to pass. Those were the days. Those are the days. But me say yo, check the Rasta man them liberty. Ancient laws, King Selassie a divinity. Three in a one, I know that a trinity. We deal in a life and we not random vanity. Do you know what Jah has done? Yeah, has done for we. Do you know what Jah has done now so we can be free? Those were the days when things used to come to pass. Those were the days.
Burn him, Jah. Free my people from the shackles. Let them go. King Pharaoh. Free my people from the shackles. King Pharaoh. Let them go. Bust the chain and the bangles, what them have the people in. My people ain't no Peetah, them always be the winner. Treat the For them mankind, them want to stop them dinner. From the high satyrs, we are the beginner. And Mojah with the fire, come fi burn them dirty behavior. King Selassie, I be savior, burn them hearse and burn them graveyard. Can't trick the youth, them in a time, your time and nature. Take a page out of Selassie, I book. Free my people from the shackles, King Pharaoh. Let them go. Free my people from the shackles, King Pharaoh. Let them go. When the anti-clap bust, Babylon I get the force. Them and them Illuminati plan, everything does get zero. Send me half burn them out, them too conniving and corrupt. Rasta buns skull and bone, them chink blood like syrup. Vatican City have to go down. Down around get boom down. Mussolini and him friend them is nowhere to be found. Free my people, Pharaoh. Free my people, Pharaoh. Free my people from the shackles. Let them go, Pharaoh. Free my people from the shackles. Let them go. King Pharaoh, King Pharaoh, King Pharaoh, King Pharaoh, King Pharaoh, King Pharaoh, King Pharaoh. Let my people go. Zion call me tonight, Lord. Zion call, Zion call, Zion call me tonight. Boy, Zion call, Zion call, Jaja call me tonight. Boy, no looting and no shooting tonight. Rasta no want no looting and no shooting tonight. Oh yo, we no want no looting and no shooting tonight. Reggae music me a play right till daylight. Oh yo, when to call, please answer. Accept your power in life. Go forth and take a stand and show your right position. It's a wide world to face out here. Govern your mission without no fear. Just give thanks for life, health and strength. Rastafari work is magnificent, Lord. But many come and many go. Your love remain the same. Man a lion from the jungle can't tame. We no play funny game. Rasta no want no looting and no shooting tonight. We no want no looting and no shooting tonight. Rasta no want no looting and no shooting tonight. Play reggae music, make me go listen all night. Oh yo, instigator get bun when them see me, and the fox run away when them glimpse me. The wolf them too cunning, fire will be burning, judgment here will be coming. No for pretend, them a no Jaja send. Them a fi wheel and come back again. Hail King Selassie, I and Empress Menen, before the lion start roar again.
No looting and no shooting tonight.
No looting, no shooting tonight.
No shooting tonight.
No looting, no
Hey, Lord, God, life. Get up now, straight to the God of creation.
spoken. From the days of anciency, it was ordained to be. I fulfill my destiny. What is to be must be. Say anyway, I'm in go. I get man will follow. And anyway, I'm in go. Rasta man will follow. Yes, anyway, I'm in go. Kabbalah man will follow. Anyway, I'm in go. Agana will follow. We fight against the Amorites and destroy the Philistines. 10,000 to my left and 1 million by my right, fighting with all of my. Oh, Jam is battalion strong, fighting all day long, defending the poor and the meek of the land. On creation, say anyway, Jam in go. Anywhere, I get man will follow. And anyway, Jam in go. Rasta man will follow. Cause anyway, Jam in go. Kabbalah man will follow. Anyway, Jam in go. Anyway, Agana will follow.
From centuries upon centuries ago, from the days of antiquity, the vanguards of the faith have journeyed through time and space into the periphery of existence. We have come to destroy the forces of evil and obliterate the workers of iniquity and witchcraft. With righteousness, we eradicate and annihilate the evildoers of the earth.
To the ends of the earth and the depths of the sea, to the highest mountain, perform Jah works, I'm ever ready. Once Jah word was spoken.
Anywhere Jah army go.
Anywhere, anywhere we read,
Rasta man
never get. From the days of anciency,
Free up the earth. It is the highest of cannabis. Babylon, you better honor this. Judge and I go curse but a bliss. Make we wrap up a drug or make we take a whiff. Good sense mania. Burn the marijuana, it's the indica sativa. Me say a good sense mania. Legalize the weed and I support the farmer. How you feel disrespect the knowledge of the healing medicine? Can't compare cannabis, do no crack and heroin. The people them fi know, so me put it on this rhythm. Rebel movement of one ganja, song of he sing. You never know say how much alcohol them a drink. Play the same Babylon, who now want me feeling. The earth man feed the good Cali, with him a bring me see coke and corruption in a them thing. Just a good sense of mania. Come let it run through your body, it will stimulate your brain, yeah. Good sense of mania. Well, it's the highest of creation, some might call it ganja. Good sense of mania. Burn the marijuana, it's the indica sativa. Me say a good sense of mania. Legalize the wheat and I support the farmer. First me crush it and me roll it, me a light it, yes me want it. Dirty Babylon, well them try stop me from plant it. Growing like a big ganja tree in a Jah garden. Me and them boy then I go pardon. Just on the weed, yeah. Me say the herbs, yeah. Say it's the healing of the nation in these days, yeah. Just on the weed, yeah. I love the herbs, yeah. Some man upon the filthy and them dirty ways there. Nothing but a good sense of mania. Come let it run through your body, it will stimulate your brain, yeah. Good sense of mania. Well, it's the healing of the nation, some might call it ganja. Good sense of mania. Burn the marijuana, it's the indica sativa. Me say a good sense of mania. Legalize the weed and don't you persecute the farmer.
Listen to his great songs, oh Jah, what a man we have lost.
Lucky Dube, Lucky Dube,
Yeah, done so wrong? Did we even know he was one of your prophets? Listen to his great songs. Oh, Jah, what a man we have lost. So we always will remember you now and forever for the words you have carried out, and we will not forget all of the things you did. This is a sign to show that times have changed. They have changed. They have changed. Yeah. They have changed. Yeah. They have changed. Times have changed. Yeah. Oh my God. Now that you're amongst the stars, we will make sure your words live on. Crying tears will fall time to time, but memories of you help us carry on. So we always will remember you now and forever for the words you have carried out, and we will not forget all of the things you did. This is a sign to show that times have changed. They have changed. They have changed. They have changed. Yeah. Times have changed. Times have changed. Yeah. All the youth's gonna cry, the whole world's gonna miss. Jamaica will never forget, Africa will always love. The youth's gonna cry, the whole world's gonna miss. Jamaica will not forget you. Africa is saying we always will remember you now and forever for the words you have carried out, and we will not forget all of the things you did. This is a sign to show that times have changed. They have changed. The times have changed. Yeah, they have changed. They have changed. Times have changed. Times have changed. Have changed. Hey, hey. Some will come, some will go, but the works you've done will still live on. Just like the prophets of old, you were one, a chosen one. Some will come, some will go, but the works you've done will still live on. Just like the prophets of old. Surely, surely, we always will remember you now and forever for the words you have carried out, and we will not forget all of the things you did. This is a sign to show that times have changed.
From the start we had no chance. He took one for the team. He doesn't even smoke no trees. Guilty in advance. It's so crazy the way things happen. No intention to hurt my brethren. Now they think his right is stolen, and still I have one question. Tell me now, Mr. Officer, what do his papers say? Mr. Francois took one for the team. He doesn't even smoke no trees. Guilty in advance. From the start he had no chance. He took one for the team. He doesn't even smoke no trees. Guilty in advance. It's amazing. He held it down for me, was a true friend. No second guessing.
where his loyalty remain. And still I have one question. Tell me now, Mr. Officer, what do his papers say? Mr. Francois took one for the team. He doesn't even smoke no trees. Guilty in advance. From the start he had no chance. He took one for the team. He doesn't even smoke no trees. He doesn't even smoke no trees, yeah. So here I was with the clock pushing body.
By 17 she have a little youth and name him John. Couldn't say the father was this or that man. So she check Uncle Sam and put up on the program. Now she dep on welfare and feeling real strong. By 19 she have another youth in her run. A 2 youth she had to get to population. Another woman lost to the teenage slam. Still I don't blame me youths there. Cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them, especially for those who make it out. I salute them. I don't blame the youths there, cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them, just for strength and courage. I salute them. No one youth will a Glock at 15 years old. Bust a couple shot and kill a 18-year-old. Now he's on the run and his blood a run cold. Don't want no prison, him no want no parole. Police back him up in a shootout on the lane. Him pick up 7 shots and his life gone down the drain. In the ghetto it's just murder for murder. I know the youths and have the life them woulda rather. So I don't blame the youths there, cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them, especially for those who make it out. I salute them. I don't blame the youths there, cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them, just for strength and courage. I salute them. Now every day them a war with them one another. Them nah know what for God, that alone a pressure. Some don't even live to see 19. No even get a chance to see them dreams. That's the life in the ghetto. I'm from Bushwick, Brooklyn, so I know how hard it is for any ghetto youth to rise up out these streets. So I don't blame the youths there, cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them, especially for those who make it out. I salute them. I don't blame the youths there, cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them, just for strength and courage. I salute them. Teenage girls that have them babies and the boys are hustling daily. Streets hot like fire. Every day we get stronger. Streets turn them in a soldier. So the youths get to know over. Some of what they want to honor and send a chance to the Father. Pray for things to get better. Here and now and forever. But in the meantime, we're holding firm in between time. That's why I don't blame the youths there, cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them, especially for those who make it out. I salute them. I don't blame the youths there, cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them, just for strength and courage. I salute them. Okay. This is life in the ghetto. Oh, so we can't blame the youth, so no. Live up, Rastaman, live up. Live up in the light of our ever-living Jaja. Live up, Bongo Man, live up. And see our live light shine, it's Jawil. Live up, Rastaman, live up. Exalt the creator of all living things. Live up, Bongo Man, live up. Live right and exalt the glory of Selassie the King. Well, Lord, upright and exalt the glory of Selassie the King. For unto him glory is to be. Well, no matter how the wicked try to compete, look at, for he's the conquering lion, and we are the children of Zion. So high liberty must identify with the King. Oh well, Rasta liberty must identify with the King. Live it up, oh well.
outside. And he cried out with a loud voice, saying, oh oh, it's a raggy road. The road is so rough. A raggy road. The road is so tough. A raggy road. Road is so rough. Raggy road. Yeah, well I've been judging this road for the longest while. I'm in career, none for them want the soil. Hey, judging this road for the longest while. And never you try papa fall another man coil. Judging this road for the longest while. A long time David House and them no stop till the soil. Judging this road for the longest while. And give away more than 1/10 of the spoil. Judging this road for the longest while. And still my lamb never run out child. This someone you have to read. Go tell them I'm not bargain. Tell them I'm not deal. None for them no one put them shoulder to the wheel. So them go rape, them go rob and them go kill and steal. All a try eat all another man deal. When a deaf, when a dumb, when a blind figure feel. One man was worthy to open the seal. Emperor Selassie, I know he's real. Babylon get trampled under me. Raggy road, road is so rough. Raggy road, the road is so tough. Raggy road, road is so rough. Raggy road, yeah, well I've been jogging this road for the longest while. Still make a career, enough for them walk the soil. Hey, jogging this road for the longest while. And never you try papa fall another man coil. Jogging this road for the longest while. A long time, the prophet and him no stop till the soil. Jogging this road for the longest while. And give away more than 1/10 of the spoil. Jogging this road for the longest while. And still my lamb never run out style. Well, enough for them go get you overboard. Like Henry Morgan with the pirate code. Enough for them a trod up on corruption road. Enough for them a trod with Satan every lord. To them promote that them that feel reach and rouse. The bingy man a mangle, bingy man a pose. Bingy man a wear up them Babylon clothes. In a me turban and me Asian robe. Where them a conceal, we come fi expose the righteous works. Not try oppose. I see judgment to take them evil episode. Judgment take them and then them explode. Well, it is a raggy road. The road is so rough. Raggy road. The road is so tough. Raggy road. Road is so rough. Raggy road.
Yeah. Go ahead, don't you destroy yourself. For the first, enjoy yourself. It's all yours, Rastafari teach you everything. Yeah, never deny yourself for anything. Survival is the very thing. Yeah, never deny yourself for anything. Here you know Rastafari give you everything. Yeah, never deny yourself for anything. Yeah, survival is the very thing. Yeah, in a the ghetto me say a day we live. Hey. The people in the earth and down the rough, activated by the laws of nature. Magnetized by the words, your blessing come. Everyone is looking out for progress. Yeah. The earth is our very place where the flowers bloom. Every color with many shades. Yeah. The dew on the grass and the sun glaze. There should be no hate for every sake. Rastafari teach you everything, yeah. Never deny yourself for anything. Survival is the very thing, yeah. Never deny yourself for anything. Hey, Rastafari give us everything, yeah. Never deny yourself for anything. Mama Africa, survival is the very thing, yeah. Never deny yourself for anything. Hey, whoa. Nah, seems no fire cause with family support. The message of Rastafari open up every door. The black culture, black people keep asking for more. Got to be sure the birthright of Israel security. The zeal of the bigger find out love and the cure. Must have we make it from your clean and pure. Blood we bread and come make we share it. This is the only way me know. All it wanna that in a delight it off we show. The blessing from the ceiling to floor. for anything. Yeah, survival is the very thing. Whoa, never deny yourself for anything. Boy, Rastafari gives you everything. Oh, never deny yourself for anything. Get a youth, survival is the very thing. Yeah, never deny yourself for anything. Born as a warrior, come to teach. Oh, food in that children read.
Leave out of the slum and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. I home is not in Babylon. Mount Zion is I home. And I say any day from now, I didn't know. Calling on Rastaman, no more will I and I roam. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. From England straight to America, even down here in the valley of Japan. Japan straight over to China. Fire burn, we all slave master. In a Babylon there's a disaster. Well, I can't get no food nor no water. Get up and come, get up and come, get up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. You know, see, so Babylon done. Like a falling leaf, the fall into the stream one day. Well, I say, so is a Babylon. Selassie gonna wash them away. I say. And for all the heedless thing they've done, now them are gonna get to pay. Get up and come, get up and come, get up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. Jah promised to strengthen the weak and give sight to the blind. Don't matter what their oppressors do. In a this year, I'm a Gideon times. Rasta is here to conquer all trials and tribulations. So pack your little grip and come. Let's leave out of Babylon. Get up and come. Get up and come. Get up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. I home is not in Babylon. Mount Zion is our home. And I say, any day from now,
and as we keep on moving, I know life must keep on grooving. You make your friend, them I tell you if you do. Like a them, I go live your life for you. You better know just where you are go do. When the attack clocks turn round on you, sometimes you want to have your own way. Next thing you know, your whole life gone astray. Take my advice and do the things that's right. Dash away the madness and make your future bright one day. As the world keeps turning, I know, so our lives keep changing. Yeah. As we keep on moving, move on, yeah. Life must keep on grooving. I know, as the world keeps turning, faster and faster, so our lives keep changing. Hey. And as we keep on moving, life must keep on grooving. Groove on, groove on. Fantam, got to be a soldier. Another soldier. So many problems in the world. Rastafari is the name of my king. King David offspring. Fantan Mojah. A soldier. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna
gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. Him alone, yes, can solve them. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. Him alone, yes, can solve them. So what are the guns and the bombs and the nuclear fire? For the future generation, them a build be a war. The eagle and the dragon and the bear, them a bar. Them a fly to Peetah and fly to Omar. Destruction, yes, what them searching for. None of them can stop the 7-point star. King Selassie, wow, the real top and R. Get this now your head, ya star. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. And him alone, yes, can solve them. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. Him alone, yes, can solve them. Wow, they're trying their best to control the universe. John Pope at the second, Rastafari at the first. Lightning and thunder, volcano a go burst. The king a go forward, Babylon them a reverse. What them a go say no? What them a go do no? Push come to shove and we a watch them a go down. Now is the time them better free my people from the shackles and chains and dream. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. Him alone, yes, can solve them. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. Him alone, yes, can solve them. So what are the guns and the bombs and the nuclear fire? For the future generation, them a build be a war. The eagle and the dragon, the whole of them a bar. I fly to Peetah and fly to Omar. Destruction, that's what them searching for. None of them can stop the 7-point star. But here King Selassie, the real top and R. Just get this now your head, ya star. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. Him alone, yes, can solve them. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only but I wish you all a long, 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 long life. But have you ever stopped to think of what you eat and drink? You're heading over the brink. Your ways are oh so stink, and you've got nothing about you. Always running your mouth. Disobey, you've gotta get out. The conquering lion a shout. One life to live and that is all. Yeah. This King Selassie, I know them tumble and fall. One life to live and that is all. Yeah. Now that the pagans back are up against the wall, let the fire burn, make the water bubble. Remove yourself from all worries and trouble. Don't cast no stones in the rubble. Remember not to play number 2 nor double. Here the divine most royal couple. I never use stuck nor book and go shuffle. Investors, beware what you scuffle. The money for the poor and have not your muscle. Make politics still have them a hustle. Every day I work my muscle. Got to survive this goddamn puzzle. 13 is the baker's dozen. One life to live and that is all. Yeah. This Marcus Garvey, I know the wicked men fall. One life to live and that is all. Yeah. Now that the pagans back are up against the wall. Oh, all you bitches and punks, you lazy bastard and junks. Come on and get out the club. Go find yourself a job. The preacher calling on God, he's getting ready to rob. I sent for Peetah and Bob. They killed him straight in the mob. Boom! One life to live and that is all. Yeah. This Prince Emmanuel, now them tumble and fall.
nah no handbag. Rastafari don't set the standard. You can't bully me down cause I won't change. I exercise tolerance amongst all individual. Unless you prove yourself to be a criminal, I couldn't fight you down, I got to let you live. I set me for who I am. But if you choose to refuse, still won't have me away. I've set me for who I am. But if you choose to refuse, still won't have me away. For once in my life I love to be where my heart and my conscience set me free. The only supervisor, the one to make me wiser. I love to uphold my dignity, whatever the price may be. I've seen enough deceivers, I could not be the believer. I've set me for who I am. For if you choose to refuse, still won't have me away. Accept me for who I am. For if you choose to refuse, still won't have me away. I respect you for who you are, knowing each one was created equal. Put away the religion and class. I saw you know Rastafari power, just like in the days gone past. Confused Babel Tower, building up for a fall, to be crumbled in 1 hour. Accept me for who I am. For if you choose to refuse, still won't have me away. Accept me for who I am. For if you choose to refuse, still won't have me away. Treat me good, but I won't do you no harm. I won't do you no wrong. Treat me good. Spread the love. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No travel with no guns today, cause we no want no gunplay. Too many innocent dying, too many mothers are crying. No travel with no guns today, cause we no want no gunplay. Too many innocent dying, too many mothers are crying, yeah. Take a look around and you will see it. The people are afraid to walk the streets. The youths can't find no food to eat. They will do anything to make ends meet. Them said them lock the town and not them lock the city. Them claim said them cold and them don't got no pity. Things in the rebel, the place I get sticky. Oh, what a pity. No travel with no guns today, cause we no want no gunplay. Too many innocent dying, too many mothers are crying. No travel with no guns today, cause we no want no gunplay. Too many innocent dying, too many mothers are crying, yeah. The gun thing is turning the place in a mess. The man from east can't go for west, and so many people in a fear and stress. When you tell them unite, them say you disrespect. Tivoli Rima and down a jungle, put down the machine, it better you humble. Waterhouse and Spanish Town, it better you put them down. All of the youths them over Matches Lane. We don't wanna see no more, feel no pain. Remember our blood run through we vein. We're all the same. No travel with no guns today, cause we know what no gunplay. Too many innocent dying, and too many mothers are crying. No travel with no guns today.
Hey man, I no push over. Them must see things to me soft. Just send me one know why. Where them gon' trouble me far. Hey man, I no push over. Them must don't see things tell me soft. Just through them see man a laugh. Them no know the road that me a walk. Them want kill me off. Me not trust bad mind and evil heart. Them things say we weak. True man a humble out a street. I gotta guide the steps how we feet. We can't get defeat. So make them go and chat like parakeet. Anyway, me no afraid of screw face, not chatty chatty. Tell dirty heart say them a know nobody. Them see we with things and them a pray and watchy. Word is win, none of them can't touch me physically. Whoa. Now want me rise, I saw them grow, me know them envy. Them a pretend them real, but them can't friend me. See them a plot up negativity against me. Father God, guide and protect me. Them checks say me soft. Just through them see man a laugh. Them no know the road that me a walk. Them want kill me off. Me not trust bad mind and evil heart. Them checks say we weak. True man a humble out a street. I gotta guide the steps and we feet. We can't get defeat. So make them go and chat like parakeets. Alright, I hear somebody a steer, me nah go run from them. No matter how them bungle up, I could 100 men. Me work hard for me things, me not depend on them. And them can't intimidate me with them boy pan them. And we nah slow down when we a step on them. Jaja bless me but it's like say dopey dip on them. Tell them go watch them dirty heart with the death all them. We know how we see them face again. Them checks say we soft. Just through them see man a laugh. Them no know the road that we a walk. Them want kill me off. We not trust bad mind and evil heart. Them things say we weak. True man a humble out a street. I gotta guide the steps on me feet. We can't get defeat. So make them go and chat like parakeets. Anyway, me no afraid of screw face, not chatty chatty. Tell dirty heart say them a know nobody. Them see we with things and them a pray and watchy. Word is win, none of them can't touch me physically. Whoa. Now want me rise, I saw them grow, me know them envy. Them a pretend them real, but them can't friend me.
Stevie, I'm telling the truth.
Boom shit.
Gangsta life is not a joking thing. Better watch your flex and what you smoking, king.
Every day you get up with your gunman thing.
Tell me what you think it's gonna bring.
Boom shit.
Paper soldier get crushed on the battlefield. Plastic tigers, they melt on the battlefield.
To be a real survivor,
spine and fit tougher than steel.
So why I tell you this right now?
You got to change your way somehow.
Let me tell you this right now.
I love man, I deal with a ya. Oh yeah.
I tell you this right now.
Got to change your way somehow.
Let me tell you this right now.
I love man, I deal with a ya. Whoa, yeah.
I treat me no one.
Bar with me think nobody feels that me can't. Them want me pop it off and me tell them me nah. Righteousness that to spill from my jaw.
Sure.
What?
We tell them this. Paper soldier get crushed on the battlefield.
Plastic tigers they melt on the battlefield.
To be a real survivor,
spine after tougher than steel.
So why I tell them this right now?
You got to change your way somehow.
Let me tell you this right now.
I love man, I deal with a ya. Whoa, yeah.
So why I tell you this right now?
Got to change your way somehow.
Let me tell you this right now.
I love man, I deal with a ya. Stevie, I'm telling the truth. It's enough man no give Jaja no glory.
They wanna live the devil's story.
Soon after that they'll fade away. Whoa, whoa.
We tell them this. Paper soldier get crushed on the battlefield.
Plastic tigers they melt on the battlefield.
To be a real survivor,
spine and fit tougher than steel.
So why I tell them this right now?
You got to change your way somehow.
Let me tell you this right now.
I love man, I deal with a ya. Oh yeah.
I tell you this right now.
Got to change your way somehow.
Let me tell you this right now.
I love man, I deal with a ya. Whoa yeah.
Sure. Gangsta life is not a joking thing. Better watch your flex and what you smoking.
Street full of body bag. Hear me out. You know see a something them a look with the food where them a cook and the place where them a jokes and the girl where them a rook. It's true. Me no know where them a go do. The youths them a lose a scroll. Fi true, I tell you what a whole heap a can. The youths them a beat up a whole heap a can. Walk one. Me say too much nights on the funeral. Hey, them we treat you like stranger because them a youths a go like old nigga. That's why me nah go touch the wood later because me no want fi lose me bird paper. Say too much ashes to ashes, me say and dust to dust. Hey, the mama born a belly but she never know much. Yes, a few dollars a eat and then you eat it just a split on a Guinness your life worth. Hey, so all the plan where them a plan and the people them a con. Them a walk a kill man every day them drop a bomb. It's true, me no know where them really a do. It's like them lose a scroll. Fi true, hey, then what a whole heap a can. The youths them a beat up a whole heap a can. Walk one, say too much nights and funeral. Hey, every day your sirens and navy blue. Who no get boxed down a beat up and batter goose. Them a rolling at the deepest interage and crew. I same way Johnny little son gets slew. Now the body is gone and the bucket get kicked. A big time tension in a chan public. Now every nozzle turn up and no bullet no stick. Hey, try not be next on the list. You know see a something them a look with the food where them a cook and the place where them a jokes with the girl where them a jokes. It's true, me no know where the youths a go do. It's like them lose a scroll. Be true, you know see a whole heap a can. The youths them a beat up a whole heap a can. Walk one, they got too much nights and the funeral. Hey, them we treat you like stranger because them a youths a go like old nigga. That's why me nah go touch the wood later because me no want fi lose me bird paper. Say too much ashes to ashes, me say and dust to dust. Hey, the mama born a belly but she never know much. Yes, a few dollars a eat and then you eat it just a split on a Guinness your life worth. Hey, so all the plan where them a plan and the people them a con. Them a walk a kill man every day them drop a bomb. It's true, me no know where them really a do. It's like them lose a scroll. Be true, hey, then what a whole I come again. Jump in the beast and chat to the east. Enough of them a live like fleas. Tell them lock them out. Revelation and speak. Listen, enough of them a live like freak. Burn them not down. So got fire get hot. Me say judgment clashing of teeth. Blackberry crash them head get mash them get confused. Car them can't treat. Incomplete, can't even see it. Enough of them fall can't stand on feet. Look more watch them. Them a crawl on feet and a feet on the wrong set. I think them a eat. You don't get the feet. Watch where your feet enough stand up on corner with the palm one grease. Some have you burn the corrupted priest. Where touch the capit but judge and sleep. Them want to hear we spit a fire bar. But them a spirit and no buy a bar. Them a free me meditate on a higher bar. Clearer than the 3D movie Avatar. And then enough of them no have no culture bar. Them a hype with money and them dirty car. Enough of them get to youth and have no shoes. Them put a touch it tar. Tell dirty Eden fish stay far. Alright. Chase them a chase, can't chat about them. Time them a waste, me no matter about them. Couldn't never keep no bad mind friend. We a free my money every dollar me spend. And now sleep my people and them all wicked. Then me a fire burn them. No for them a discriminate black. End up in a road block. Detour gone in a dead end. Well, enough now go there when Chaza roll call. Like Gibraltar rock, so me standing tall. Them a ball, them a fall, them a crawl. Enough no member jat till them against the wall. No burn bridges behind you will stall. So me burn bad mind and burn dirty heart and slew them all. Them want to hear we spit a fire bar. But them a spirit and no buy a bar. Them a free me meditate on a higher bar. Clearer than the 3D movie Avatar. And then enough of them no have no culture bar. Them a hype with money and them dirty car. Enough of them get to youth and have no shoes. Them put a touch it tar. Tell dirty Eden fish stay far. Alright.
Jump in the beast and chat to the east, can't enough of them a live like fleas. Tell them lock them out, revelation and speak, listen enough of them a live like freak. Bun them not and so got fire get hot, me say judgment clashing of teeth. Blackberry crash them head, get mash them, get confused, cause them can't tweet. Incomplete, can't receipt, enough of them fall can't stand for feet. Look more watch them a call pan feet and a feet for the wrong set, I think them a eat. You don't get the feet, watch for your feet, enough stand up on corner with the palm and grease. Some of you bun the corrupted priest, where touching the company but judge and not sleep. Them walk in here with spit a fire bar, but them a spirit and no buy a bar. Them a pray me meditate pan a higher bar, clearer than the 3D movie Avatar. Them enough of them don't have no culture bar. Them a hype with money and them dirty car. Enough of them get to youth and have no shoes, them put a touch it or tell dirty Eden fi stay far. Reggae music we are talk about, yeah. This is the real rock. It's gonna hit you like a heart attack. Reggae music got the right stuff. Filled with nothing but love. Green, gold and black, Jamaican flag keep on flying. Reggae music keep you dancing, sending nothing but love. You can hear it on every station. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The heartbeat of a nation. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Born in a Kingston town. Now a universal sound. And one of Jaja's favorite weapons. Whoa, whoa. Oh man, a rich man, beggar man, thief. Whoa. Lawyer, doctor, Indian chief. Whoa. New York to London town. Tune into the roots rock sound. And one of Jaja's favorite weapon. Whoa, whoa. This is the real rock. It's gonna hit you like a heart attack. Reggae music got the right stuff. Filled with nothing but love. Green, gold and black, Jamaican flag keep on flying. Reggae music keep you dancing, sending nothing but love. Yeah. Anywhere in the world that you go, whoa, 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 you will hear reggae music vibe just a flow. Whoa. This a really make you rock and roll. It's definitely good for your soul. And one of Jaja's favorite weapon. Whoa, whoa. You will hear it on every station. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's the heartbeat of a nation. Whoa, whoa. Born in a Kingston town. Now a universal sound. And one of Jaja's favorite weapons. Whoa, whoa. This is the real rock. It's gonna hit you like a heart attack. Reggae music got the right stuff. Feel with nothing but love. Green, gold and black, Jamaican flag keep on flying. Reggae music keep you dancing.
I can feel the pain messing with your mind, saying I'm the one to blame when you find yourself a guy. Spiteful things to knock my brain. Girl, they're so unkind. And girl, you know you do me wrong, but I know I've gotta be strong. Cause I'm a man, and for what it's worth,
life still goes on. I'm a man, and for what it's worth, life still goes on. I'm a man, and for what it's worth, life still goes on. I'm a man, and for what it's worth, life hurts.
Sure, the tricks you're playing me, I mean, you're playing yourself. Don't even have conclusions. Still, you're blaming them with someone else. I hope you learn your lesson. I'm in the studio tiling for my blessing, and while Rasta tiling, round the next man you're missing.
But I'm a man, and for what it's worth, life still goes on. I'm a man, and for what it's worth, life still goes on. I'm a man, and for what it's worth, life still goes on. I'm a man, and for what it's worth, woman, no one you don't indulge in the silly things that you can control. Girl, after me left you with your brown pretty eyes, yet still with blue eyes, me see you are proud. Yeah, after me sit you up and taught you the levels, you're only attracting devils. See then now you end up with kinky James, and you don't know a fire and flames. But I'm a man, and for what it's worth, life still goes on. I'm a man, and for what it's worth, life still goes on. I'm a man, and for what it's worth, life still goes on. I'm a man, and for what it's worth.
Tell me, why do you have this man in your life? People say he's no good for you, he's a waste of time. He doesn't treat you like the shining star you are. Are you satisfied, or has it gone too far? Girl, there's another man waiting, just anticipating the day he can show you what true love's about. He wants to treat you like a lady. No, it's no maybe. This man wants to treat you like the queen you are. So why are you just hanging on? You're just hanging on. Why are you just hanging on? You're just hanging on. You tell me you're just hanging on. You're just hanging on. Why are you just hanging on? You're just hanging on. Now there's two sides to a story, there's no doubt. Yes, man get hurt sometimes, I'll say it loud. Some women try to play us for a fool, 'cause they know what they've got, so they use it like a tool. But there's a good woman waiting, yes, anticipating the day she can get to treat you like the king you are. She wants to love and care for, be there if you call, so she can lend a hand if you should fall. So why are you just hanging on? You're just hanging on. Why are you just hanging on? You're just hanging on. You tell me you're just hanging on. You're just hanging on. Why are you just hanging on? You're just hanging on. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yes. This is just a love game. Tell me what you're thinking. Yeah, yeah. You say it's
They make the guns their choice, but the guns not nice. All the innocent are run away. When you hear paka paka, the sound of the gunfights, not a body just a get slay. They make the guns their choice, but the guns not nice. All the innocent are run away. And by the roll of a dice, a man can lose them life. Not a mother in a dismay. The man they must step it hardcore, like them no business no more. All kind of carbine them a fire. Crime rate is getting higher. This is not Iraqi them frontline. No, I know in our pipeline. So what type is killing for? Is that no foreign invasion? We all are one nation. So time to ease up the war. They make the guns their choice, but the guns not nice. All the innocent are run away. When you hear paka paka, the sound of the gunfights, not a body just a get slayed. They make the guns their choice, but the guns not nice. All the innocent are run away. And by the roll of a dice, a man can lose them life. Not a mama in a dismay. Chanting for upliftment, progress for the youths. Who give the gun them, for the man them go shoot. And who make the plans them to deceive all the youths. Them planning in secrecy to get the youth them chiga happy. And then them pack it with poverty. I know the people can't take it no more. Yeah, they make the guns their choice, but the guns not nice. All the innocent are run away. When you hear paka paka, the sound of the gunfights, not a body just a get slayed. They make the guns their choice, but the guns not nice. All the innocent are run away. And by the roll of a dice, a man can lose them life. Not a mama in a display. We tell you already. We tell you again, the gun a mankind enemy. Don't let it be your friend, hey, cause it will turn on you, like you turn it and others. And when you think you're covered, you're written of flowers. You make the guns their choice, but the guns not nice. All the innocent are run away. You hear paka paka, the sound of the gunfights, not a body just a get slayed. You make the guns your choice, but the guns not nice. All the innocent are run away. And by the roll of a dice, a man can lose them life. Not a mama in a dismay. Gun business, yeah, is not a good thing. Yeah, yeah. Gun business, yeah, is not a joke thing. Oh well, they make the guns their choice, but the guns not nice. All the innocent are run away. When you hear paka paka, the sound of the gunfights, not a mama, not a mama.